Hachion is offering a Salesforce Admin live training program with job assistance. Salesforce Admin has a user-friendly interface that is easy to learn for beginners and non-IT people. Salesforce offers a free and interactive learning platform called Trailhead, where beginners can learn and practice various Salesforce Admin roles and mock-up scenarios. As part of the Salesforce training, the trainer will help you understand various real-time scenarios and resources. For beginners and non-IT people, Salesforce Admin would be an easy learning tool, with no programming techniques and coding challenges. Most scenarios involve drag and drop and admin-related configurations and settings, making it less difficult for non-IT individuals to learn. As part of the Salesforce Admin training, we will cover Introduction to Salesforce, Data Management, Security and Access, Reports and Dashboards, Customizations, Collaboration and Communication, App Exchange and Integrations, Mobile Administration, Salesforce Admin Real-Time Project Scenarios, Salesforce Admin Certification Processes, Preparation of Salesforce Admin Resume and Techniques, Introduction of yourself as a Salesforce Admin in interviews. Feel free to enroll in the Salesforce Admin demo session. The first 2 sessions are free to help you understand the quality of the training and your comfort level with the Salesforce Admin process. In addition to the training, you will receive job assistance from the Hachion team. Our learning center is based in Austin, Texas. You can reach out to the support team any day between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for considering Hachion. We wish you the best on your career path.